This they don't know. Please subscribe my videos. And today I'm doing a video ugly night. And so this is a baby, and so this is the body bird. This is the body. This is what the gift from the place that I am already. And she's drinking something too. And it gives to my ex. So
This is the cake table.
this is the grass. Here is pizza. I couldn't draw the cake, so I did. So this is my friend's one empty hat for the and donut, the spoon, and one drink.
Balloon wrapper.
And this is the water tap to wash hands. And this is the birthday decoration. Balloons and grass, chairs. That's it.
Sorry, please, sorry.
And this is girl is coming to the birthday, so they get one left. And she's gonna come and tell it. And she's a baby.
Okay, thank you, Rose.
And this is sunflowers.
And
No coloring. Bye. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.